I will take a student and take his numbers in two subjects. For example, English and Science. Then I will try to calculate his total marks, his percentage, and try to find out if he has failed or passed. First, give student a name, string, student, name, Mark, Stanton. Here you can see I have a string as data type. This thing. Same way as integer data type. And student name as variable name. Strings are used to store anything from a single character to a big paragraph. You have to use two inverted commas, one at the start and other at the end. Anything in between these two inverted commas will be regarded as the value of the string. Next, I will declare an integer int science, marks 75, another variable English marks 80. Let me calculate the total marks, double. Now calculate total marks. Marks plus science marks. Now let's calculate the average. Marks is equal to total marks divided by 2. Print out the result. System.out.println average marks, now plus sign, average marks. You can see I have put a plus sign between a double data type and this string. If you will put a plus sign between a string and any other data type, it will combine both the variables and the end result will be string. Double to string conversion. Now run the program. So you can see average marks are 77.5. Now calculate the percentage. So double. First we have to define maximum marks. Int maximum marks is equal to 200. So next double percentage is equal to total marks divided by maximum marks multiplied by, put multiply sign here. So now print out the result. System.out.println percentage is percentage. Now run the program. You can see percentage is also 77.5%. Put something, a sign of percentage after the percentage variable. Now let's go to decision making. Now we will decide if the student is passed or the student is failed. First, we have to define passing marks. Let's say if the average marks are less than 50, the student is failed. Passing, int passing marks. Let's make it double. I'm making double just to make the comparison between two double ties rather than one is int and other one is double. 50. If the student is passed in the exam, he will have 50 or more average marks. If he is failed, he will have less than 50. We will use the if statement to perform this operation. If is same in English language and most of the programming languages. Now let's see how if statement works. If followed by round brackets followed by curly brackets. This means the body of if, and this means the statement. Here we will include any condition. If that condition is true, it will enter into this body and execute all the lines that are included inside the body. If it is false, it will not execute even a single line of the if body. Average marks are greater than or equal to passing marks. So if this is true, average marks are greater than or equal to passing marks, it will come inside the body, and we will print out system.out.println student name passed in the examination. Now another interesting thing you can use with if is now else. Else means if this statement is false, if the average marks are less than passing marks, the else body will be executed. So system.out.println student name plus failed in the examination. Now run the program. I haven't used the correct spelling for failed. So you can see it is calculating the right result. Means 77.5% was average marks, and this it is greater than 50 marks. Stanton has passed in the examination. Now change the student name and deliberately fails the student by giving him below 50% marks. To do that, I will just go upside and change the name into Jonah Archer. Give it 30 and here 40. So now run the program again. Now you can see the average marks are 35, percentage is also 35%, and Jonah Archer failed in the examination. You can see it is working correctly. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel if you like this tutorial.